Welcome to Italy 101, your YIGO Italy cultural guide.
Gelato is the Italian version of ice cream made with authentic ingredients. Gelato is known for its amazing flavors, soft, smooth texture, and clean taste. As a matter of fact, gelato means frozen in Italian. You can order a gelato in many different sizes and either in a cone or a cup. Some gelaterias give you the option to take some home in a large storage container. Gelaterias are everywhere in Italy, and you may almost find one in every town. Whether you are craving a sweet or savory treat, there's a flavor for you. Gelato is made up of natural products containing milk, sugar, and in some cases fruit. Traditional flavors that you will typically see at the gelateria include crema, meaning custard, cioccolata, or chocolate, fior di latte, literally meaning flour of milk, which is similar to cream but lighter, panna montata, meaning whipped cream, nocciola, being hazelnut, bacchio, which is a mix of chocolate and hazelnut, stracciatella, fior di latte, with pieces of dark chocolate added in, caffè, coffee flavored, with real coffee in it, pistachio flavored, fragola, strawberry, or limone, lemon. To order a gelato in a cup, you can simply say, vorrei un gelato in coppetta, per favore. I'd like a gelato in a cup, please. You can also say, vorrei due coni. I'd like 2 cones. And then you may choose your flavors. Then you choose 1, 2, or 3 scoops. Pallina, meaning 1, or palline, meaning more than 1. You may say, vorrei una pallina di cioccolata in cono per favore. I would like 1 scoop of chocolate in a cone, please. Or you could say, vorrei 2 palline de caffè e una pallina de fragola in una coppetta, per favore. I would like 2 scoops of coffee and 1 of strawberry in 1 cup, please.
This centuries-old dessert is near and dear to the hearts of the Italians and the iconic summer edition. Now go out and enjoy some gelato. You won't be disappointed by this sweet Italian treat. Thank you for watching Italy 101, your YIGO Italy cultural guide. If you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to our YIGO Italy YouTube channel. If you know someone who could benefit from this video, be sure to send it their way. Ciao for now!